everyone, Jared McNally here from SIERA. Welcome to the Vista Street end of our Exhale project for a construction update today. It's been a massive month, heaps of momentum we've seen on site with most of the piles being done around the perimeter for our basement. And we've also seen works commenced for our sewer diversion and piling work starting for our dewatering. Let's have a talk to Kareem and get his update on how the sewer diversion's going.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another update here at Exhale. A lot of exciting things happening this month. We're going to be completing the pile drilling. Sequence 4 is still ongoing, which is the northwest corner of the site. But we're now coordinating that with the live sewer that currently runs within the boundaries of our site. That sewer, the flow through it has to be interrupted so that we can finish drilling the piles that go at those locations. There's 3 piles at each end of the sewer, and we can only drill those once that sewer has no more flow going through it. So by doing that, we have to run a perimeter temporary sewer line that essentially gets pumped and the flow gets diverted, which means that we can then proceed with drilling the piles, but also it means that we can begin our bulk earthworks excavation. Eventually, we'll be running a temporary sewer line back in its original position that runs in its permanent spot. But for the time being, this is the critical thing, is coordinating the piling sequence with the sewer diversion. Dewatering wells, which are essentially these massive wells that get drilled deep into the ground with pumps that are placed within the wells, and essentially each well acts as a straw. So if you picture 6 straws sucking at the same time, the water level will decrease below the excavation. And that's what the point of dewatering is. So it's water getting pumped out of the ground, decreasing around the site, which allows us to dig.
Next month, the guys will start to get into the next phase of the basement retention system with doing the capping beam on top of the piles. What this involves is jackhammering down the first meter of the pile to expose the Rio, and then forming and pouring a continuous beam that goes all around the perimeter of the project. Thanks for tuning in. See you next month.